Okay, so there's a flood down here. I'm so shaky right now, so if the foot is shaky, oh, it's starting to calm down. Is there even still some movement around here? Anyway, my toe just touched the water. That was so gross. If you can just see in there. Whew, that's so bad. But if I'm shaky, that's because I'm still trying to adjust. Oh, wow. There. Can you see that? All of that is all water, all of it. Wait. Yeah, right here, okay. All of that is water. All of it. That's water. And if you would look upstream, I don't know if you could see it, but anyway. Oh, crap. Come up here for 2 seconds. So, as I said, there's a flood. Wow. Great footage. Anyway, there's a flood down there. I might be able to show you. Just might. Whew. I think where I have my stick right here. Oh my god, I'm scared. But that's all water down there. And then, if I were to go over here, I might have to go through this place. Oh, that's water, not a cricket. Thinking every single part of clicking is that, but anyway, okay. Okay, this is the shakiest footage in the world. Bit better with the stick, with the stick that it's on, but as you can hear, the waterfall is not going anymore. Meaning the current is really, oh, you can still hear it. Beware for a very dirty waterfall. Oh, not that dirty anymore. Wait. Okay, so that's camera here. See if I can. Okay. Watch the waterfall. Oh, this is gonna be a bit of a long video just full of waterfall. I am so weird. Okay, as I'm adjusting my camera, I might need to just hold you up here, see the world. I don't know. I need to get a. Ooh, that's gonna be so high. Beautiful. There's so many things down here, but the most thing that I was really weirded out about, not really weirded out, but scared, is I'm an animal lover. And the thing with this is there was so many frogs here. And now there's just like none. There's no frogs. All the frogs were like swept away by the current. Swept away by the current. See if I can have. See if how much I can get this like that. Okay, push that in. Because else, I decided to use my Windows phone, but I'll go down there. Oh, I hope that doesn't fall. Okay, time to go down. Butterfly. Oh, that's pretty moth. Orange little moth looking. Ugh. Island adventure. This water is freezing. Ooh, Nike. Oh my. Oh, it is so flooded down here. Don't know if you can see now. Yeah, you guys can. So, right here is the waterfall. I need to go back up there real quick to grab that. But what was that about? Standing in the ow! Okay, I'm coming back up. Too many rocks. Ah! Ooh. That freaked me out. Okay. Someone's calling me. Coming! I'm down here! Of course, someone has to need me. What? Come here. You come here, Alex. Come on.
You have to eat.
Okay. Well, it looks like that's the end of that. Yes.
What video did you get?
Waterfalls and creeks. That water is freezing,
Right now?
but of course it's starting to warm and then it gets cold, and then earlier it was cold and it warms. When the water's warm, it's cold. When the water's cold, it's warm. It's awesome, but it's horrible. It's weird, but that's the end of this video. What am I doing?
Next time, peeps.
I don't know what I'm doing.